Why do so many clients rave about Abenezer Tefera? It's his unique blend of coding genius and artistic flair. Hi, I'm Abenezer Tefera, the proud founder of Alpha Institute Technology. I graduated from Dilla University in 2022 with a bachelor's degree in computer science. My passion? Building robust, scalable web apps using the MERN-Stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. But I don't just stop at code. With skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more, I bring a comprehensive approach to every project. And let's not forget my knack for creative design. From video editing to graphic design, I fuse functionality with stunning visuals to deliver exceptional digital experiences. As a part-time freelancer, I strive for innovation and excellence in every project I undertake. Whether it's crafting a seamless user interface or a captivating promotional video, my goal is to exceed expectations and push the boundaries of technology and creativity. So if you're looking to transform your digital presence, let's connect and create something extraordinary together. From code to creativity, that's the Abenezer way.